How to apply for resale certificate in New York. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to the search bar. In the search bar, type in businessexpress.ny.gov. Now search for it and you will land to the official website. Here you will need to log in or sign in to create your new ny.gov account. After that, you will need to fill out a form DTF-17 online. Then wait for 5 business days for approval. Once you are approved, you'll receive your sales tax certificate of authority by mail. This allows you to issue resale certificates. You can also use Form ST-120, which is resale certificate. You can download it from tax.ny.gov. Here you will need to fill in your business info and certificate of authority number. After that, give it to your supplier, not to NY State. By using these methods and these official websites, you can apply for resale certificate in New York. So that's all for today. Thank you.